Does coffee disrupt hormones in females? As any coffee lover knows, coffee is one of the most popular and widely consumed beverages in the world. However, while coffee may be a great way to start your day and give you a boost of energy, it can also have some serious side effects, especially for women. In this video, we will explore the potential side effects of coffee consumption, look at how caffeine impacts women differently, and discuss ways to enjoy coffee without disrupting your hormones. Potential side effects of coffee consumption. Caffeine is a stimulant and it is commonly consumed in coffee, tea, and other beverages. While caffeine is generally safe for most people, there are some potential side effects that should be considered. When it comes to female hormones, caffeine can have a number of effects on the body. These side effects can include changes in mood, energy levels, sleep quality, and more. It's important to remember that these effects vary from person to person and can also depend on how much caffeine is consumed. Exploring coffee's effects on female hormones. There is growing concern about the potential health risks associated with coffee consumption. Some studies have shown that coffee can disturb female hormones, and too much of it can have negative impacts on health. Does caffeine impact women differently? When it comes to caffeine, women are definitely a different species than me. For one, caffeine affects women differently from men in terms of how it impacts their hormones. In particular, coffee has been linked with sleep hormones such as melatonin and cortisol. While caffeine is a great way to get through the day energized, it's important to be mindful of how much caffeine we're consuming and what else may be going on at the same time. It's also important to consider nutrients that interfere with coffee's effects on hormones. By doing this, you can minimize the possibility of disruption to your hormones and keep your long-term health in check. Tips to enjoy coffee without hormonal disruption. There's a lot of debate surrounding the potential health effects of caffeine consumption, and coffee is no exception. Some people believe that coffee can disrupt hormone balance in females, leading to a number of negative consequences. This includes everything from weight gain to menstrual irregularity. In this section, we'll explore some of the reasons why coffee might disrupt hormone balance and give you some tips on how to minimize the risk of hormone disruption. Finally, one common complaint about drinking coffee is that it makes morning mood swings worse. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now to watch more exciting videos.